So one at a time, let's move to another element, that is the button. I'm going to add it right here, and let's see what we have it in design. We have a little bit of padding margin from left and right, so I'm going to add that. Here we go. So left and right, and also the button. All right, not that much because we already gave some padding to that. So now what we can do, we can change the background color of this tag button, sorry. So we go down right here, and the primary color, then we want to change the text color, so here we go to white. And what else we have? Just sign in text, so it is bold, and we add the text sign in. All right, so the next step is to create the drawable shapefile for our the email and password field. So what we need to do actually is we need to drag and drop our uh, sign in PSD file to the Photoshop. Then you just zoom in and see what color exactly do you have for the outline. So if you zoom in a lot, you can see that this is some kind of bluish green color. You just choose the eyedropper tool that is right over here and click on it. Once you do that, you'll get the color code over here. So copy the color code, hit OK. I guess we haven't, so copy it, hit OK, and go to Android Studio again, and let's move down to our colors file. So I'm going to add another color, and this is going to be with the name of outline color hash. All right, then I'm going to right click on the drawable folder, go to new, and add in drawable resource file, and this is going to be the input outline, and I'm going to call it this is going to be a shape file. So inside that, we don't want any fill, we just want corners, radius, and radius is going to be 5 dp. All right, and also stroke color, and this color is going to be outline color. Stroke width 1 dp, and no dash gap. Let's see if it works. So move to the sign in file, add in a text field, and this is going to be a password field. Add right over here, expand it, give it a bit margin, so 16, yep, from left and right. Then what we want to do, you just go right over here and move to your edit text file and add in a background, and this background is going to be the drawable shapefile. So move to the drawable, and we will add the input outline. Let's move to the design, and there you can see that we just added in the shapefile. Now the next thing that you want to do, you want to add in a hint, and that is password. All right, and add a bit of padding to make it all even. So I'm gonna add in 15 dp of padding, 16 to be exact, like all other files. Now I'm gonna do the exact same thing for this email field, and all right, let's copy this line and paste it right over here, and add hint and padding. So hint is going to be email, and padding is going to be same for this one. So we have added the email and password field. Now it's time to add in the image. So very same process applies to the image for exporting it, but to make sure that you export it as PNG. Now if you guys haven't watched it from the previous tutorials, you can go ahead and check it out. I did it in maybe the second or third part, but right over here I have exported the image already, and if you don't want to export it, you can get the image from the link in description. So I'm going to add in the image view. One thing I forgot to tell you guys is that I have created a new Gmail ID, and this is just for you guys. You guys can directly contact me over there, or maybe direct chat on Hangouts. The ID is twachat@gmail.com. I'm going to type it out for you guys so you won't get confused. It's twachat@gmail.com. Right. The link will be in description. Sorry, the email will be in description as well if you guys want it. Add me on Hangouts, or just mail me for any queries you want. Then we move to Android Studio, and let's select the source. So I'm going to select a source file, and this is going to be from the drawable, maybe sign in building. Yep. So there we go. We just added in the sign in building. Now what we want to do is, let's change a few properties of this one. So first of all, adjust view bounds. That will be enough for it. Second, we need to add in margin from the bottom, same as everything else. There we go. The last two thing, text. I guess you guys can do that. I'm gonna pause this video right here, and what I want you guys to do is try to implement this get started design. Now this is again going to be another image, and I want you guys to do it, and we're gonna add a few more details in the next part of the tutorial. So see you guys later.